bread kachori.
$200 grams of keema mutton, minced. 1 finely chopped onion. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt as per taste. Half tsp of garam masala powder. Half lemon juice. Some chopped mint, coriander leaves, and 2 chopped green chilies. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add chopped onion. Add ginger garlic paste. Sauté it. Add chopped green chilies. Stir fry. Add turmeric powder and salt. Add keema. Mix and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Dry roast it. Add garam masala powder. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves. Give a mix and turn off flame. Keema is roasted well. Roasted keema is ready. Take some bread slices. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. 1 tablespoon of maida. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Cut bread slices from center with glass. Remove excess bread pieces. Take a bowl and add corn flour. Add maida. Add some water and mix. Mix and prepare slurry. Bread circles are ready. Apply slurry from sides of bread circle. Place 1 teaspoon of keema in center. Apply slurry on other bread circle. Flip and place on keema. Gently press and seal. Repeat the process and prepare remaining bread circles. Dip it in slurry. Flip and dip nicely. Place it in breadcrumbs and coat it well. Keema bread crackers are ready for frying. Heat oil and fry them. Fry on medium to high flame. Flip on other side and fry. Fry until golden brown. Keema bread crackers are fried well. Remove them. Keema bread crackers are done. Crispy and tasty keema bread crackers are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.